Hey everyone, imagine this: your external hard drive, packed with crucial data, suddenly becomes corrupted. Panic sets in, right? That happened to me recently, and I was desperate to recover my files. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I took to successfully retrieve my data from a corrupted Windows PC. Before proceeding with data recovery, it's crucial to ensure that the hard drive is physically intact. Check for any signs of damage, such as unusual noises, visible cracks, or loose connections. If you notice any physical damage, you might need to seek professional assistance for data recovery. If your hard drive is external, connect it to your Windows PC using a USB cable or the appropriate connection method. If it's an internal hard drive, make sure it's properly connected to your computer. Once you've confirmed that the hard drive is physically sound and correctly connected, follow these steps to begin the recovery process. Restore from backup. If you have a backup of your data, restoring your files from there should be your first option. Backups are the most reliable way to recover your data quickly and without any potential loss. However, if you don't have a backup, don't worry. There are other methods you can try. Use CHKDSK. CHKDSK is a built-in Windows tool that can help repair corrupted hard drives. To use CHKDSK, follow these steps. Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the Windows search bar and selecting Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type CHKDSK/FX. Replace X with the drive letter of your corrupted hard drive and press Enter. CHKDSK will start scanning the drive and attempt to fix any errors it finds. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once it's complete, check if your data is accessible. If CHKDSK resolves the issue, great. If not, we have one more sure step to try. Use data recovery software. When built-in tools like CHKDSK don't work, specialized data recovery software can be a lifesaver. One of the best options available is iMyFoneDBack, a powerful and free data recovery software designed for Windows PCs. Here's how to use it. Go to the iMyFoneDBack official website and download the software. Install it on your computer, but make sure not to install it on the corrupted hard drive to avoid overwriting any data. Open iMyFoneDBack and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Choose the corrupted hard drive from the list of available drives. Click on the Start button to begin the scanning process. This might take some time depending on the size of the drive and the extent of the corruption. Once the scan is complete, iMyFoneDBack will display a list of recoverable files. Browse through the list, select the files you need, and choose a safe location to save them, preferably not on the corrupted drive. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your important data even if the hard drive is corrupted. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so always keep regular backups of your important files. When recovering data from a corrupted hard drive on Windows 10 or Windows 11, remember to avoid using the corrupted drive as much as possible during the recovery process to prevent further damage. Good luck! I hope this guide helps you recover your data. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.